Welcome to the new Floer video. Today we'll discuss the difference between laminate and vinyl. To understand this properly, it is important to know what materials these products are made of. Laminate, for example, is composed of pressed wood fibers and is basically wood product. Vinyl, on the other hand, is made up of plastic. Polyvinyl to be precise. Laminate and vinyl floors are therefore completely different floors with totally different properties. I am going to tell you now 5 different traits. Difference 1. Laminate is a wood product that features a nice click connection. Vinyl, on the other hand, is a flexible product. When installing a vinyl floor, it is crucial that the subfloor is completely leveled to achieve the best laying result. Difference 2. Laminate is certainly suitable for underfloor heating. On the other hand, vinyl is an even better heat conductor, making it even more suitable for underfloor heating. A vinyl floor feels warm even without underfloor heating.
Difference 3. Laminate flooring has a hard, non-scratch layer, which makes it less sensitive to scratches. Vinyl flooring, on the other hand, has a wear layer of 0.55 millimeters, making it slightly more susceptible to scratches. Difference 4. Laminate is known for its walking sound.
This noise can be reduced by using a non-contact underlay by Floer. Difference 5. One of the biggest reasons to choose vinyl flooring is because it is 100% waterproof. Therefore, I don't have to worry about it now. Laminate is less resistant to water. On prolonged contact with water, the laminate soaks up the water and expands. Fortunately, at Floer, we have several collections of laminate with a water-resistant coating up to the V-groove, such as this beautiful country house laminate. Now you know the 5 biggest differences between a vinyl and laminate flooring. If you found this video useful, please give it thumbs up. And to see more of these videos, please subscribe to our channel.